our lives.
Sold out shows, but I don't believe in souls. So my doubts and shows gonna leave me feeling whole. A couple blunts.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cicada 3301, and today we're going to be picking up where I left off last time. So as some of you guys know, Cicada 3301 is an online group that remains anonymous to this day. They have posted a series of puzzles that led people to go into a frenzy trying to find out the answer, but only a few people have had luck reaching the end. So after all this happening, Cicada posted another image of a letter claiming that it's time for round 2. Round 2 wasn't anything special. It was the same old objectives. The image contained encrypted information, which led to a book and a code. It was the same old process as round 1, but one thing was different. The people that managed to solve round 2 disappeared. The only trace of them left were their studies on the individual puzzles. Now here's where theories come rolling in. Some people speculate that Cicada 3301 has made those intelligent individuals join their cult or group. Some people think they were killed because they were too intelligent, but none of these theories make sense because they have no proper evidence to back these claims. But nevertheless, it has been 7 years since Cicada posted their first puzzle, so we may never know what Cicada 3301 truly is. It could have been a legit prank or a hoax. But after all, it's only the internet, right?